guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning May the 9th to the 15th, 2022 in my memory planner using this mystery kit from SBC. I don't remember what month it was, but it will be in the title. And of course, I paired it with the lavender hollow foil that came with it, and then I used some mermaid scale underlays from Planner Hannah in, I don't know if she has a lavender foil colour or is it in a purple hollow. I can't tell. Is it purple hollow or just lavender? There's a purple colour underlay. I don't remember what it is. So for May, the month of May, like minus Cinco de Mayo, is that how you say it? Week, I decided to do a mermaid theme. So the next 3 weeks will be mermaid theme, and I loved it. I love it so much. I remember saying that the month of April was my favourite, but maybe the mermaid kits with this Planner Hannah underlays, they were doing something. So I think maybe May was better than April. But you know, I'm just loving my planner this year. Anyways, so of course I colour blocked again because I'm obsessed with colour blocking and I do it every chance I get. And I will say that the Hardy plans, is it the neutrals? It's not the pastel, it's the neutrals. I think they match this super well, and I had a good time finding colours for this. But anyways, I'm going to go through a couple of questions while you guys watch me do the base. I don't know if I've said this already, but if I have, sorry, I'm going to say it again. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload, just in case I didn't say it. I'm saying it again. And I won't edit it out because I just can't be bothered. So, next question is, how would your friends describe you? I think my friends would describe me as very anal about things, as a panicker, and like unintentionally funny because they always laugh at me when I'm being serious. I think that's what they would describe me as. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are shock horror, planning, doing hair, and binge watching shows and watching movies. Those are my hobbies. I love to do those things. What is the best gift you've ever been given? What is a gift that I've had forever? That question will have to be answered in next time with me, since I am in the day by day because I didn't put the overlays on camera. Okay, so in the sidebar, I'm dyeing my hair ginger blonde with this hair dye sticker from Carly Plans, and then I noted that it was the 12th week of my maternity leave with this week 12 script from PMD Stickers and a maternity leave sticker from Bella Plan Ella. So on Monday, I marked being tired AF with this SBC face mask sticker and a tired AF script from SBC. I marked cuddling with my baby with this PMD Stickers gal and a cuddle script from SBC. Then I noted Malik being in his bouncer chair with a star icon from the foil bundle. In the extender, I noted making some breakfast with this cutlery icon from SBC. I noted Malik doing some tummy time with this baby like rolling over from BMD Stickers and a tummy time script from Make Plans. Then used the TV icon from Carly Plans and a Grey's Anatomy script also from Carly Plans to note binge watching Grey's. I noted Bath and Malik with this bath time sticker from Papershire and a bath script from SBC. Then I marked a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from SBC and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. And then I marked my husband gaming with the controller sticker from Carly Plans and a J Gaming custom script from Make Plans. Next, I marked doing some fun planning with a planner icon from Lily's paper. Lily, I don't remember what it's called. It's Lily's something. On a fun plan script from Carly Plans. Use a GP Studio Girl to note Playing With Stickers. The Play With Stickers script is from Carly Plans. And then I noted ordering takeout with this chips icon from the foil bundle and an order takeout script from Make Plans. On to Tuesday, I marked sleeping in. Oh, so I put the scripts in the wrong place. But first I marked my husband having a day off with the house sticker, but I put the sleeping script there by accident. Then I used the bed icon from SBC to note sleeping in. Then making some eggs with this eggs cotton sticker from Carly Plans. I noted my husband gaming with the controller sticker from Carly Planned and a J Gaming custom script from Mick Planned. I think that's how I marked it all week, so I'm not going to keep saying it unless it's different. And then I noted a cuddling with my baby with the ScribblePrintsCo girl and a Malik Cuddle script from Carly Planned. I noted dyeing my hair with this hair dye sticker from Carly Planned. Then noted a Plan With Me binge with a sticker icon from the foil bundle and a Plan With Me binge script from Mick Planned. I noted watching Heartland. I was going to start watching it, then I didn't, with a control icon from the Sticky Perks. Then I watched The Flash. Well, I just kept restarting new things. So I tried to watch Heartland and I decided against it. Then I started watching The Flash, so I used this 71 Sticker Co. Flash sticker, which that shop is no longer open, to note watching The Flash. I used the binge watch script from SBC to note that. I noted getting some takeout with this chips icon sticker from what is this, Planner Face. And then noted styling my hair after dyeing it with this girl from Paper Dolls Co. On to Wednesday. Oh, the ice cream van is here. Oh, I don't want to stop recording since I'm a bit behind anyway, so I'm just going to wait. Yeah. So on to Wednesday, I noted my husband had the day off again with this house sticker from SBC. I noted being super tired with a pillow icon from the foil bundle and this high layer script for Planner Hannah. Then I noted making some breakfast with a girl like a hand making egg sticker from SBC. I then noted binge watching more of The Flash with another Flash sticker from 71 Sticker Co. and a binge watch script from SBC, and I marked it that way the whole week. I then marked cuddling in my baby with this PMD stickers girl and the Malik Cuddle script from Carly Planned. I noted Malik not taking a nap with this crying sticker from Wizard at the Studio and a take a nap script from Adobe Image Designs to note like me crying saying like please take a nap. Then noted playtime with my baby, this mum and baby like in the living room watching TV sticker from Papershire and a playtime script from words are so hard you can't even imagine, Carly Planned. Then I used this cutlery sticker to note that we had some instant noodles. Then I noted Malik being with his dad and having some cuddle times with his PMD stickers, character and a Carly Planned script. Until Thursday, I marked my husband being in the office with this paper milk Maru sticker and a Jane office script from Mick Planned. I then noted being really tired with this bed icon from the kit and a tired AF script from Planner Hannah. I noted making some eggs again with this egg carton sticker from Carly Planned. I noted the Flash binge again the same way that I had the rest of the week. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the kit and a Plan With Me binge script from Mick Planned. Noted some playtime with my baby with this paper milk sticker and a playtime script from Carly Planned. Next I marked cuddling Malik with a Mick Planned mum and baby sticker and a Malik Cuddle script from Carly Planned. And then lastly I marked a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from Carly Planned and a YouTube binge script from SBC. On to Friday. On Friday I marked that it was payday with this Payton sticker from Goldman and Coco and a payday script from SBC. I marked get eating some breakfast with this egg carton sticker from Carly Planned. I used the star icon from the foil bundle to note that Malik was in his chair as I made breakfast. I then noted pumping with this Papershire vanilla pumping sticker. I noted packing his nappy bag with the same sticker. Well, I didn't use it this week, I used it last week. The sticker from Sweet Quiet Design. I then marked having to take my mum to the hospital with the stethoscope sticker from the foil bundle. I noted binge watching The Flash the same way that I did the rest of the week. I noted that Malik had a big blowout with this nappy icon from, where is it from? PMD stickers. Then I noted having to bath him because the blowout was a lot with this bath time sticker from Papershire and a bath time script from Planner Hannah. Then I noted that my cousin came to take us out. Well, she was like to take Malik out mostly, but we went to like the shopping centre with this Stick with the PlanWithAds girl with the pushchair and with my aunt script from Planner Hannah. Then I used this pram icon from Planner Hannah to note that we had trouble with the pram, like getting it out, and you figured it out. Then I used this shopping bag icon from Paper Candy Art to note it was Malik's first trip to Westfields. I used this cutlery icon from the foil bundle to note that we went to Nando's. And then I used this sleep mask icon from SBC and a tired day of script from Planner Hannah to note that when I got home I was absolutely knackered, and so was Malik, which was good. On to Saturday, I used a bed sticker to note sleeping in because I was so tired from the night before. I then used the sticker from Paper K to note that my body was aching me. I noted making some breakfast with SBC icon to note that. Next, I marked binge watching The Flash again with the same stickers I had been using. I noted dyeing the rest of my hair because I had only dyed the top at first, and then I liked it so much that I was like, let me just dye the whole head. I dyed it again, so I dyed the back the same colour. So I used a dye sticker from Carly Plans to note that. I then noted deep conditioning my hair with this Good Hair Day sticker from Paper Dolls Co. And noted cuddling my baby with this Whimsical Cat Studio mum and baby sticker and a Malik cuddle script from Carly Plans that I can run again. I then noted doing my Tesco order with this ScribblePrintsCo girl holding a basket and a shopping list and a grocery order script from Carly Plans. I noted starting the 100 with the TV icon from SBC, and then I noted getting some takeout with this cutlery stickers from the foil bundle. So clearly, how many series did I start this week? I started off with Grey's Anatomy and ended up with the 100, but I actually finished the 100, so this one stuck. On to Sunday, I used cutlery to note eating. Oh no, I have an extender. I noted waking up early with an alarm clock icon from the foil bundle. I then noted being super tired with this face mask icon from the foil bundle and a tired AF script from Planner Hannah. And I noted cuddling with my baby with the PMD stickers girl and a Malik cuddle script from Carly Plans. I noted making some breakfast with this egg sticker from Carly Plans. I then marked watching more of the 100 with the TV icon from SBC. I marked playtime with this Papershire horse and a playtime script from Carly Plans. Then I marked eating the leftover takeout that I had I got it again. I got the same takeout again because I really liked it with this cutlery sticker from the foil bundle. Then I noted that Malik's grandma got him some clothes with a baby gross icon from PMD stickers. I then noted FaceTime his grandma to say thank you with this FaceTime sticker from the GP Studio and a with grammar script from Planner Hannah. Then I noted Malik giggling with this sticker from Papershire. Next I noted starting my micro locks with this GP Studio girl. Then I noted getting no sleep with this like insomnia girl from Beneva's Creation and a no sleep script from the Planner Pixie Cat. So if you haven't already, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this video. And I'm going to show you guys a bit of the wiggle and then I'll be back. And then I'll show you, oh my gosh. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought of this spread. And I'm going to show you guys a bit of a wiggle on what's left of the kit. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.